Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we'll learn about hierarchical clustering, a way to group data points and visualize their relationships. Imagine you have a big pile of toys and you want to organize them by how similar they are. Instead of forcing them into a fixed number of boxes, you build a family tree of groups. The most common version is agglomerative or bottom-up. We start with each point alone, then repeatedly merge the two closest groups until everything becomes one big group. Here, we can see two blue points are closest, so they merge first, then two green points merge, and eventually everything merges together. The merging process is visualized using a dendrogram, an upside-down family tree. The bottom shows the individual items, and the height of each merge shows how different the groups were. You can choose how many clusters you want by cutting the dendrogram at a certain height. Everything below the cut becomes a cluster. To decide which groups are closest, we use a distance metric. A common choice is Euclidean distance, which is the straight line distance between 2 points. We also need a linkage rule to measure distance between groups. Single linkage uses the closest points. Complete linkage uses the farthest points. Average linkage uses the average of all pair distances. Why use hierarchical clustering? First, you do not need to guess the number of clusters in advance. Second, the dendrogram gives a clear visual story. And third, it helps you discover hidden structure, like customer types or species groups.